Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Most of us rely on Microsoft Outlook every single day to manage our emails, calendars, and keep our workflow running smoothly, but sometimes, out of nowhere and for completely unknown reasons, your PST file gets corrupted or damaged. Now, what do you do if you can't, or simply don't want to, open Outlook to fix it? What if Outlook itself is crashing, refusing to start, or maybe it is not even installed on the computer you are using right now? Well, in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to handle this situation and repair your corrupted PST file without even needing to open Outlook at all, and this video's solution is brought to you by Stellar, using the excellent Outlook PST Repair tool. Before we discuss Stellar's PST repair solutions, let's talk about Microsoft's built-in tool, Scan PST. Many of you may already know this. It's free and works very efficiently for very simple repairs. But here is the catch, and it is a big one. According to Microsoft's own documentation, if Scan PST runs into a corrupted data block it cannot read, it simply deletes it. If that block contains your emails, attachments, or contacts, they are gone forever. Plus, you must have Outlook fully installed and configured on that machine to even run it. So, if Outlook is crashing, completely unavailable, or you simply cannot risk losing critical emails, Stellar's professional online repair service is a much safer, easier, and more reliable alternative. Here is how easily it works. Open your browser and head over to this link. You can find all the links we use today right down in the video description. This platform offers an incredibly powerful online PST repair service. Sign in to use the PST file repair service, then click Repair PST File button. Keep in mind that the free version allows you to repair and save files up to 500 megabytes, while the service supports files up to 5 gigabytes. Select the corrupted PST file you want to repair and allow a few seconds for it to upload. The system will display your exact file size right here. I'm using a relatively small file for this demo just. After that, click Start Repair, and the system will immediately get to work. The best part about this online method, you don't need to download or install a single piece of software on your computer. It runs entirely in the cloud, meaning it works perfectly whether you are on Windows, Mac, or even Linux. On top of that, your data is handled in a highly secure, fully automated environment with zero human intervention. The system will scan your file, detect the corruption, and automatically rebuild your entire mailbox structure. The process might take a few moments, depending on your file size and how badly it's damaged, so let's wait for it to finish up. Once the repair is finished, you can actually preview your entire restored folder structure, emails, contacts, and calendars right inside your browser window. This is incredibly useful because it lets you verify that all your critical data is there before you even download a thing. Once you are happy with how everything looks, just click the Download button and save the newly repaired PST file to your computer. As a quick tip, I highly recommend saving it in a different folder than your original, corrupted file just to keep things organized. Now, a quick word on the plans. The free plan is great to get you started, while the premium plan fully supports repairing larger PST files up to 5 gigabytes. You can check their latest limits and pricing options using the link I left in the description below. Finally, with your healthy file downloaded, you can just merge or import it into Outlook as you normally would. All your emails will be back, and you can get right back to work without missing a beat. Now, if you prefer not to upload your files online and would rather use a local application on your computer, Stellar has another fantastic solution called Stellar Repair for Outlook. To get it, just open your browser and head to the official Stellar website, go to the For Business section at the top, and click on Outlook PST Repair. This brings you straight to the download page for their dedicated PST repair tool. It is worth mentioning that if you go with the Technician Edition, you can actually repair and export your entire mailbox directly to Office 365 or Microsoft 365, which is a lifesaver for IT administrators. The software is fully compatible with almost any version of Outlook, including Outlook 2024, 2021, 2019, 2016, and even older versions. To try it out, simply click the free download button right here, install it on your PC, and you are ready to go. Stellar Repair for Outlook is the ideal solution if your PST file is larger than 5 gigabytes, severely corrupted, or if you simply prefer a completely offline solution to keep your data local. Once you have downloaded the application, installing it is incredibly straightforward. Just follow the standard setup wizard, as you can see right here on the screen. It only takes a few seconds to complete. When you open the application, simply choose the manual option to browse and select your corrupted PST file, and if you aren't sure where it's stored, you can use the Find option to let the software locate it for you automatically. Once selected, just click the Repair button. The program will immediately scan the file, fix the damage, and completely rebuild your mailbox structure. Once it's done, you can freely browse through all your restored emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and attachments right here in the preview pane before saving them. If everything looks good in the preview, you can go ahead and save your repaired mailbox as a brand new PST file. Now, depending on your software edition, specifically if you are using the Technician edition, you also have the option to export the recovered mailbox directly into Microsoft 365 or a live Exchange server. At this point, the application will prompt you to activate. Simply choose the pricing plan that fits your needs, enter your activation code, and you can instantly save your newly repaired file. What makes this desktop application so powerful is that it's built to handle PST files of absolutely any size. It excels at recovering data from severely damaged mailboxes, all while preserving your original folder hierarchy and maintaining total data integrity throughout the entire recovery process. Once the file is saved, you can open it up in Outlook the exact same way you always do, or easily transfer it to use on an entirely different computer. So, if Outlook won't open, isn't installed, or you just want a quick and safe repair, the Online PST Repair Service is your best bet, allowing you to fix your PST file right from your browser, with no software and no Outlook required. But, if you are dealing with a giant PST file larger than 5 GB, or some really severe corruption, Stellar Repair for Outlook Desktop is the way to go. It gives you a powerful, offline solution with highly advanced recovery capabilities. You can see the links to both of these great solutions right here on the screen, and I have also left them for you in the description below. If this video helped you rescue your emails today, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting me know what caused your PST trouble in the first place.